Basically, we were in our house asleep and the house was shaking and everything was falling out of cupboards. So I think the initial reaction was fear, and then adrenaline kicks in. I had 8 guys standing there that next morning as soon as the sun came up, waiting to get engaged in the clearance work. It's an evolving picture day by day, almost hour by hour. At the moment we've got about 16 sites running on the inland road alone. We've worked together better here than I've ever seen anything before. The goal here is to keep Kaikoura open, and because most of these guys live here, they're really passionate about that. And we hope that our new team that comes on board here will take on that mantra as well. And we certainly encourage them to sort of work with the sort of ambition that these guys have got as well.